Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12 this morning. We're seeing, well, some clear conditions right now in southern Oregon, or dry conditions at the very least. But this little wave of clouds, which is moving in from the north and west, this will end up bringing us some showers a little bit later in the day, at least a very small chance for that. Kind of seems like we've had a lot of small chances for showers as of late. Today is going to be no different. So let's go ahead and put this into motion with Stormcast. And we're going to stop this right around 5 p.m. So most of the day is going to be dry. And this is 5 p.m. And this model suggesting that a lot of the rainfall is going to stay off the coast up until then. Other models are suggesting that maybe we could have some showers along and west of the Cascades at this point. So it's just one of those finicky deals once again. But as we head into the late evening, it becomes much more clear that we will see some much more widespread wet weather, mainly along and west of the Cascades at this point. But then into tomorrow morning, that's when it finally reaches over to the east of the Cascades. And then it's going to be pretty widespread stuff, at least for the AM hours for tomorrow. But then as we start to get into the PM hours, we do start to trend a little bit drier. And Friday is looking like it's going to be a drier day compared to Thursday. Okay, so taking things back to today before all the clouds and the rainfall moves in, it's going to end up being a lovely day, again, before things turn a little bit cloudier. But plenty of sunshine, temperatures that'll finally be pretty seasonal for the first day of May, actually. So that means we're going to be in the middle 50s to the east of the Cascades, low to middle 60s for our west side valleys, middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. And the winds today will gust out of the west to northwest, upwards of 20 to 30 miles per hour for the Shasta Valley, for the east side, and for the Cascades. And then for tonight, by midnight, we're expecting that, I'd say on a line from about Klamath County, we'll slice Siskiyou County in half, and Jackson, Josephine, and Curry counties. In those areas, you could expect some wet or wintry weather, just kind of depending on the elevation. We'll talk about snow levels here in just a bit. But other than that, it's going to be not as cold as this morning. We'll still be right around freezing to the east of the Cascades, but 30s and 40s for our west side valleys, middle 40s along the coast in Curry County. And by the way, the winds will calm down for the Shasta Valley and to the east of the Cascades. Okay, so we'll have just about as warm of a day for Thursday, definitely much wetter though, and then a bit of a break for Friday, a little bit drier, but then much wetter and cooler into Saturday. So our rain chances are really just going up and down over the next few days, and then we'll hold on to some of those moderate shower chances for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But there's definitely a much more defined pattern with the temperatures, and that will subtly be warming up through Friday, and then temperatures crash way down into this weekend. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see a small chance for showers for today. Wet weather much more likely in a Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we'll see some thunderstorms likely for Saturday as well. Probably we'll get between an inch to an inch and a half along the coast over these next couple of days. Then for Siskiyou County, we finally added a little shower chance for Thursday, drier for Friday, but we'll have some chances for some rain, maybe even some snow into Sunday, as snow levels could drop down to around 3,500 feet by Sunday morning. Then for the basin, a little chance for showers on Thursday, rain likely for Saturday, and then maybe some snow getting into the mix for Sunday morning. Then for the Cascades, this system for Thursday is going to be interesting because we're thinking between 4 to 6 inches of snow for a Cascade, for Crater Lake in particular. Cascade passes will still be mostly unaffected, and then for the Rogue Valley, I mean, what else can you say? Up and down rain chances and much cooler and wetter this weekend.